This rustic kitchen from Wellborn Cabinet fuses classic and modern design elements to create a space that is both stylish and functional. The maple cabinetry in this kitchen incorporates two of Wellborn's door styles, Hanover and Amelia, and the combination of Wellborn's new light brown river rock and steely gray nightfall stains perfectly accentuates the exposed wood beams and mix of metals. These new stains were inspired by the earth tones and complementary hues found in nature and aim to bring the relaxation of the outdoors into the home. Accessories like this base paper towel pullout reduce countertop clutter, and like all of the cabinets and drawers in this design, feature soft close technology to ensure smooth, quiet operation with every use. This message center and key station is an ideal organizational solution and features an erasable magnetic whiteboard for jotting down lists and reminders. A kitchen island is a great way to incorporate more countertop space and storage into a kitchen, and this traditional island finished in glacier white makes for a stunning focal point. Wellborn's spice storage pullouts are available in 4 different sizes and make finding the right spice fast and simple. Easy to install and even easier to clean, these sliding spice pullouts make a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Providing quality, convenience, and beauty are among our top priorities at Wellborn Cabinet, and this kitchen embodies all of these. For more information on these and other Wellborn products, please visit our website at wellborn.com.